Practitioners of SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a digital marketing strategy that aims to improve a website's visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. SEO is practiced by a variety of professionals, including digital marketers. SEO is a key component of digital marketing, and many digital marketers specialize in SEO. Content creators. Creating high-quality, valuable content is an important part of SEO, so content creators often practice SEO. Web developers. Optimizing website structure and content is crucial for SEO, so web developers often practice SEO. SEO specialists. These professionals specialize in SEO and are responsible for improving website rankings on major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. They ensure on-page optimization to produce relevant search results and a positive user experience, growing site traffic, lead volume, and brand awareness. Business owners who want to improve their website's visibility and attract more customers often practice SEO themselves or hire professionals to do it for them. Anyone who wants to improve their website's visibility. Anyone who has a website and wants to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages can practice SEO. Are you struggling to attract customers and increase your sales online? Introducing our web development and SEO services, designed to skyrocket your visibility and drive more traffic to your website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Our expert team of web developers and SEO specialists will work tirelessly to optimize your website, ensuring that it ranks higher in search engine results. With our cutting-edge strategies, we'll help you attract the right audience and turn them into loyal customers. Imagine the impact of having your website appear on the first page of Google search results. With increased visibility, you'll gain credibility and trust from potential customers, leading to higher conversion rates. Our tailored approach to web development ensures that your site not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also engages visitors, and encourages them to take action. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business exponentially. Take advantage of our web development and SEO services today and increase your sales and profits like never before. Contact us now for a free consultation with our experts who will create a customized plan just for you.